Gemini Dent Repaired coming at you again. Today we're working on this Nissan Cube van, I think it's called ND 3500. Anyway, we got some pretty severe damage going on, and our plan of attack is going to be to blue bullet, try and get as much as we can with the blue, but I'm not sure if we can. We'll see what we can do. So first of all, we're going to try and unlock this bottom buckle here first. Yeah, if you're trying to attack these big dents, your first instinct is probably to try and pop up as much of the damage as possible. With that big soft stuff, if you unlock that big stuff first and leave this crease down here, it'll lock in. It'll never come out. So we're gonna try and get that this rocker and everything out first. Yeah, there we go. Like this stuff. Get that out first, and go from there. Maybe hook up some I-bar tabs, pull it back, get a 3D tab in here, and then some other long tabs along here. We'll show you this up. I'll try and leave links in the video description for all these products. Alrighty, well, see you later.
So as you can see, we didn't end up using the I-bars, but instead we opted to glue some wood blocks on the panel and put a porta power hydraulic ram in between them. And this will allow us to have the lateral pressure that we're going to need to get this dent up.
Glue some shit up, Ryan.
Glue it up?
Yeah.
Oh, hold on. Get a little out of that top one. There you go, look at that.
Yep, there you go.
Here's our second setup. As you can see, we got a 2x4 block using that as a tab. We got a porta power still. We got a lateral long tab and a vertical long tab, and we have a super tab. We're going to work all these at the same time to try and get this damage to walk out.
How did it fall off?
Because the tension came
It just
out.
popped. Oh, popped. I see.
Oh, I didn't see that.
Right, put it back in. We'll get a little more on it. No, keep going. We'll squeeze a little more. No? It did its job. Yeah, should reposition. Yeah, bring it over. Pretty buckled up in there.
Oh, there it goes.
This one's about as far as we'll go. You sure? Huh? I think you give her another bit, no?
There you go. Yep.
Oh, wow. Look at that.
They definitely did not let the glue go.
No, the glue
It's
is
a tap tail.
There we go, now let's take a look. Let's see.
You probably got like 80% of it out. Yeah.
Whew. Damn. I really love this setup for long tabs. It's super cool because you can cover a lot of surface area and be pretty precise at the same time.
Now we've switched to just the front tab. Cool.
Ooh.
That scary pressure zone. Let's see what we got. Almost 1,000 psi. Still gripping. We're up to 950-ish. Makes sense to put a safety blanket on it. Maybe back up a bit. See where we're at. Well, we're sitting at, what's that? 1200-ish, 1150. It's going down. Okay, we're still sitting here. Hasn't moved. And this is just only on one tab. Sitting at 1,000 psi. Now I've had these tabs up to 1200 before they failed. The glue didn't fail, but the tab did. But I guess we'll just, now you can see the door gap has come back completely, except for this little locked-in area, which I'm gonna throw one more tab on there and see if it works. But if not, I mean, this thing's ripped anyway. We're gonna have to be doing conventional on this anyway, so. Alrighty, it's a first for me. It actually bent my stainless steel tab bar. Never seen that happen before. Goes to show how strong this stuff really is, hey?
Yeah, and here we are just doing the last couple tabs and knocking the last few crowns down before we switch gears and start stripping the paint and get into the conventional stuff.
Hey everybody, how's it going? I just want to give you guys a quick tip here when it comes to using these guys. There's a way you can tell your highs and lows. A lot of guys don't know this tip, but I've shown it to quite a few apprentices over the years. So, when you vacuum your carpet, you go one way it's dark, the other way it's light. It's the same principle as that. So, you take something like this, and then you go along the panel up and down. See how it's light, dark, okay? Now I'm going to switch the camera around to show you the rest of the tip, okay? Alright, see you in a second. As I was saying, when you go one direction with a tool like this or a similar thing, and you go down with it, it's dark here, light here. Now, sometimes it's hard to tell where the highs and lows are. You can't just feel them. In this case I can, but so I'll take and then you run your block over it. Now look at it, you can see every spot that's high and every spot that's low, right? So you can see where you gotta move the metal down, where you're gonna move the metal up. So it's a pretty cool little thing you can do. Try it out at home, let me know what you think for that one.
And here we're using the carbon shrinking rod to just chase down all those oil cans, and we'll be using the Dent puller to just bring out some of the lows again and just finish up the sheet metal work here.
"2,000 years later."
Alright, we're all ready for filler. Today I'm going to be using these linear blocking tools mud spreaders. I'm telling you, these things are wide and they make your mud spreading super straight. It saves a lot of time sanding. So if you don't have a pet set, go get something now. Check it out. Here goes. Last wipe on the main area. Look how smooth you can get that. Look those. Looks like you could just about paint it. It's beautiful. I love it. There you go, all ready for paint. Have another look when it gets back.
And here we have a special guest appearance from our painter Josh. Pay close attention to his fancy footwork as he scooches across the paint booth floor there.
here we go. Finished product. Look at this guy's gonna be super happy to get his van back in record timing.
Pretty good.
Alrighty. Thank you all for watching the video, and